This is my river hat, I've had it for years. I've shared some good times in it and drank a lot of beers. It fell in a campfire on the banks of the Comal River. It burned a hole clean through it. Old Chuck said it matched my liver. So I think I'll raise a cold can for the things that keep us together, and I'll drink a toast to old friends and the times we'll always remember. If you've ever had a good time here, get up, sing along. This is our river song. These are my old river shoes. They don't match and I don't care. Searched all day and rescued Flip, but Flop's still out there somewhere, like my free old fishing buddy Mark.
He prepares the runway. It's gonna be an epic event.
Raise a cold can for the things that keep us together, and I'll drink a toast to old friends and the times we'll always remember. If you've ever had a good time here, get up, sing along. This is our river song. This is my river, I don't own it, but it's mine, along with every soul who's ever rode a tube or wet a line. To me this place is sacred, and there are those who feel the same. This river's just like holy water running through our veins, and I think I'll raise a cold can for the things that keep us together, and I'll drink a toast to old friends and the times we'll always remember. If you've ever had a good time here, get 'em up,